Guys, the biggest news of this entire year is here finally. Canada, that is IRCC, has finally broken all its previous records, and a total of 401,000 people have been finally landed in Canada as permanent residents. Now, what exactly is the figure about the landed residents, the landed immigrants in Canada, and what exactly does IRCC have to say about this is the main topic of the day. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we move any further, please make sure that you hit the bell icon, the subscribe button and the like button, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we are discussing today is the biggest achievement by IRCC. Historically speaking, IRCC, that is Canada Immigration, has broken all its previous records by landing 401,000 immigrants in the year 2021. Now today is December 23rd, 2021, and IRCC gave its official announcement on its own website. Now guys, in the announcement what IRCC says is that Canada needs support of the upcoming immigrants, the already landed immigrants, in order to recover from COVID related pandemic hit, the crisis situation, and otherwise also Canada really needs support of immigrants going forward. Now IRCC further continues to say that they were able to achieve this particular target when they decided to land the temporary people who were inside Canada. They started targeting those people because they were the low hanging fruits who could be converted into permanent residents fairly quicker than the people who were outside Canada. So they started launching new programs like the essential worker programs, where they started converting people. They focused on the healthcare professionals, the international graduates and the French speaking newcomers as well, right? So they had these new programs where they could convert people from temporary to the permanent pathways. Apart from this, they also focus on the family reunification, where they think that this is the main pillar of Canadian immigration. And with already landed people inside Canada, they brought in more people, more family members, and helped them reunite with their existing ones. Last but not the least, what IRCC said is that where all the other countries are closing doors to refugees, Canada continued to open its door to those refugees, to people who need protection, and Canada has also supported them, right? So with all of these initiatives taken in the year 2021, they were able to meet the targets of the year 2021. This was in line with the immigration levels plan of 2021 to the year 2023. Now, within the immigration levels plan, if you see, the first year was 401,000, which IRCC has already achieved. The second year, which is the next year that is coming, 2022, the level is going to be 411,000. So technically, as per Indian metrics, it's 4,11,000 people, which should be landed in Canada as permanent residents, right? Now, landing means the entire journey of becoming a PR is complete, and they finally land in Canada as a permanent resident, right? Now, what IRCC is going to focus on is landing 411,000 people next year. Now, which means they will have to heavily focus in the first quarter of the year for new draws, maximum number of draws, so that they can land all of those people by the end of the year, right? So that way they will be able to meet the targets for the next year. Guys, this is a big news. A big positive news has come in, like I shared today, has come in from IRCC. This really paves path for the upcoming years. We already know that 2019 was a very good year. Somewhere in the middle of 300,000 people were there, and then 2020 took a big hit because of COVID. So we could not even reach 2 lakh people landed in Canada, whereas the year 2021 has surpassed 4 lakh people, right? This is a big achievement. Kudos to IRCC for their efforts, and we really hope that a lot of Canadian Experience Class FSW draws are also there, along with the PNP draws, of course. A lot of people get their PRs and get a chance to land in Canada as permanent residents. Guys, I hope the video was helpful and brought in good news for all of you. If you need to evaluate your file for permanent residency, please feel free to drop us a message on the number on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Please feel free to book a consultation. Guys, lovely chatting with you, and I wish you all the best, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.